If you're looking for the best ATV tires, you've come to the right place. We've researched and compiled the top 5 ATV tires based on traction, durability, terrain performance, price, and real customer feedback. Whether you're tearing through mud, flying across sand, or crawling over rocks, these tires won't let you down. All the product links are in the description below. Now, let's dive into the top 5 ATV tires you can buy in 2025. Number 1, Wanda at Master ATV Tires. First up, we have the set of 4 Wanda at Master ATV Tires, a beastly option for all-around terrain domination. These come in a 22x711 front and 22x109 rear setup, featuring a 6-ply rated nylon construction that's built to resist punctures and abrasions. The directional V-tread design combined with 36% deeper tread than most competitors means one thing: serious grip and longer lifespan. Plus, the wide gap between tread blocks gives it self-cleaning action, boosting traction in mud and dirt. Whether you're trail riding or hauling on your UTV, these tires deliver unmatched toughness and performance. Number 2, Kenda Bear Claw Tires. At number 2, we have the aggressive and iconic Kenda Bear Claw tires, a favorite for serious off-roaders. These tires are made for hardcore 4x4 terrains with deep lugs that bite into mud and loose ground. The dimpled tread surface adds grip in dry conditions too, making this a truly all-season warrior. It features reinforced knobs to prevent rollover at low PSI and a 2+2 casing for enhanced puncture resistance. If you're looking for versatility and brute strength, the Bear Claw brings the claws. Number 3, Tusk Terraform ATV Tire. Next, the Tusk Terraform 25-10-12 ATV tire is our pick for riders who want predictable performance across sand, mud, and hardpack. This tire features a 3/4-inch tread depth and an aggressive design that stays smooth at all speeds, even on harder surfaces. The tread angle and profile give responsive steering, and the bias ply, 6-ply rating, makes it one tough trail companion. Add to that a unique rubber compound that grips well on everything from rocks to dirt roads. This is the ultimate balance of comfort and control. Number 4, Halberd ATV Tire Set. Coming in at number 4, the Halberd ATV Tire Set offers exceptional value without compromising on strength. This 4-tire set includes 25x8-12 fronts and 25x10-12 rears, with a 6-ply build that resists cuts, punctures, and sidewall damage. Its non-directional tread allows for great responsiveness in both forward and reverse. The V-shaped central blocks provide maximum traction across a wide range of terrains, from sand and mud to loose loam. It's also made with a rubber compound rich in natural rubber for improved elasticity and ride comfort. If you're into comfort and capability, Halberd is the name to know. Number 5, Kenda Bear Claw K299. And finally, the legendary Kenda Bear Claw K299, a heavy-duty classic trusted by ATV riders for decades. This tire is built with angled knobs that dig in for maximum traction, while center lugs provide better stability and control. What makes the K299 stand out is its built-in rim guard, which protects your wheels from dings and dents on rocky terrain. Top it off with a long-lasting tread compound, and you've got a tire that's just as reliable on weekend trails as it is on backwoods adventures. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 ATV tires in 2025. Whether you need deep mud grip, rock-crushing toughness, or all-around durability, we've got something on this list for you. All the product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Have a favorite tire or trail you love to ride? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next gear review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.